All right, let's understand these three options that are over here in a quick brief. So the first option is single prompt website, in which you can type just a single line or a detailed prompt. So for example, website for a yoga trainer, you can type just one line and anything like I just showed you, right? So even by typing just one line, your website, your landing page is going to be ready. These two options, we will talk about them a bit later, but these two options are in which you will give your full copy, your full website page copy, landing page copy, and on the basis of that, it is going to create your sales page design or webinar page design. So, in these two options, the copy generation, the content generation for your landing page is not happening. So this is only designing the page for you in a great way, in a very specialized way, of course, because we have taught our AI to do designing in a conversion optimized way. But again, these two options are for designing your existing copy. This option creates your copy and designs your copy. So this is the difference between these three options.